Hi, I'm Tim Bush, and I'm a local guy here from Tri-Cities for over 36 years. I just moved away to Coeur d'Alene, and I bought this truck a few years ago from a guy in Salt Lake City with his grandsons. He built it from the ground up. He said he spent over $80,000 to do this truck, and I think he did it right. If you look underneath, the truck is like brand new. It's got the BF Goodrich radial TAs, and I actually painted the black half top on it to get that little different look than anybody else's. What I understand about this engine is it's a 383 stroker motor. It's a crate motor. I don't know if that's true or not. That's what the guy told me. It looks like a Target Master 350 to me, but I'll tell you what, it's a Chevrolet V8 and it runs strong. Like I said, it's fuel injected. The whole hood compartment's really nice. It always starts, it always fires up. Beautiful dual exhaust in the back and a hitch if you want to tow something that might match it. For you out there, if you want to throw something in the back, it's got a spray-in bed liner. It's got a rear slider that's tinted. And it's got a beautiful bench seat. The interior is really nice. The air blows ice cold. It's got vintage air. So this GMC truck is equipped with dual tanks. Chevrolet, GM put small tanks in these things, so you want to have two tanks. It has them. The switch is right on the dash, and it works just great. This truck will be up for auction and be sold at Trucks and Auto Auction right here in Pasco, Washington. So you're not going to want to miss that. And it will be here a few days before if you want to come take a look at it. But everything you're seeing, this Sierra is definitely one you don't want to miss. It'll be in the catalog. It'll be exactly what you're looking for. So take it home and enjoy it.